Bonafide Green Goods carries the largest selection of wooden drying rack styles anywhere. Shopping is available online and at the Bonafide storefront in Concord, New Hampshire. The drying racks you'll see can be purchased in our Concord, New Hampshire store. We currently have 13 styles of racks in our storefront location and 5 styles to choose from online. The racks from our store are made in New England using half-inch birch dowels and full 1-inch pine sidebars. We'll start with our 2 largest drying racks, the Portsmouth and the Queen City. Both are 36 inches wide and can hold a large load of laundry. The Portsmouth is bigger by only 1 rung with 63 feet of drying space. The Queen City has 60 feet of drying space. You can see that they're very different in shape. The Portsmouth has 2 different positions to choose from. The Portsmouth can stand on its own when folded up, while the Queen City does need to lean against a wall. The next 2 are big sellers and very similar in shape. They are also 36 inches wide. The Mount Washington is our 3rd biggest drying rack with 48 feet of drying space, while the Kearsarge is minus the top 3 rungs for a total of 45 feet of drying space. Both are sturdy and carry in clothes easily, even with laundry on them. The Capital and Mini Capital are collapsible for easy storage. The Capital is still nice and wide at 36 inches, while the Mini is 24 inches wide. The Capital has 31 drying feet space, while the Mini Capital has 15. The Dixville and the Mini Dixville have nice large flat top spaces. The Dixville is 32.5 inches wide, while the Mini Dixville is smaller at 24 inches wide. Both have 8 rungs. The Dixville has 21 feet of drying space, while the Mini has 15. Next is the Canterbury, which is 24 inches wide with 23 feet of drying space. The Mini Queen City is a smaller version of the full-size one. It's 32 inches wide with 16 rungs for 44 feet of drying space. The Cardigan is the perfect sweater drying rack. It is 32 inches wide with an open position of 24 inches. The mesh is a non-staining nylon. The Cardigan has 3 rungs below for additional drying feet space. The Gilmanton is a non-symmetrical drying rack which is quite handy for drying overheating sources. The lower space can also be used for shoes. It is 24 inches wide with 15 feet of drying space. Last but not least, the Cannon, our wall-mounted drying rack, is ideal for small laundry items or for drying herbs. It measures 27 inches wide and has 9 rungs. Because this is a smaller rack, the rungs are 3/8 of an inch thick. It expands to 22 inches and fits back to 6 inches deep. In case you're wondering, the names of our racks are from well-known New Hampshire locations. Stop by our store located in Concord, New Hampshire's capital city. We're open every day of the week. For more details about our store, visit our website where you can also shop online.